Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So let's download the MySQL for the Windows 10. So download MySQL for the Windows environment. We have to go to the download link. Then you have to download the second one, which is 285 something MB. Let me download the installer file, and once get downloaded, then we can set up that. So you can see the MySQL installer file has been downloaded. So let me try to set up it here. Let me open it. It's not opening. Let me open it two times. Let's see whether it's coming up here. Oh yeah, I did it two times, so you have to cancel it, one of them. So let it complete. So here we have to take the customized one. Let me click custom and next. Basically here we require the MySQL server and the MySQL workbench. So I have to select the MySQL server here. Let me add it. And the second one would be the MySQL workbench, and the other is not required for the time being. So let me add the MySQL workbench, and let me click on next. And the Microsoft Visual, this 2019 is the on this package depend open it is dependable package. So let me execute to install it. So Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 has been installed, which is a dependency for the MySQL. It has been installed. So let me click on next to install the MySQL server and the MySQL workbench. So we have to click on execute so that the above package can be installed in my the VM. It seems it has been completed, almost completed. So let's wait another 10 seconds. Let it complete. Then we have to click on next. You can see it has been completed. So I have to click on next. If you want to change the port number, you can change it. But as the default one, the 3306 port number is for the MySQL, so you can keep as it is. Nothing is required to change from here. So I will keep as it is. And if you want to change to server, for the development computer to different one, you can change it as per requirement. But for the time being, I will keep it as it is. And for the password, I will choose the recommendation one. And you have to make sure you have to give the complex password like the MySQL at rate of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It is a medium. It can be acceptable. So you can see it is almost completed. Then I have to click on next to grant all the access to this user. The default user will be root, and the password I have already given. So make sure you have to remember the password while you give in, because after that you have to log in from the MySQL workbench to connect the MySQL. So once get into the MySQL, so I will set up, I will connect the MySQL from the MySQL workbench. Then we will create one of the DB and the one of the table to make sure it is working fine. So it seems the MySQL has been installed successfully with the MySQL workbench also. So let me set up the connection with the MySQL so that we can see. So basically, first of all, we have to check the local host, and the password will be the same like which I already given. Let me create the new one here. Okay, don't take with the default one. So let me give the connection name like the MySQL, and the host name you can keep 127.0.0.1, which is the local IP address, like you say as a loopback address. Okay, So let me enter the password to just check the local host IP is working or not. Yeah, so you can see the connection has been set up successfully. So let me open it and let me create some DB and table and insert some data whether it is working on fine or not. Because I'm installing the MySQL, I think after 2 or 3 years I install it. Okay, I don't recall the even the what is the query language, I don't recall. Let me create some databases. The create database MyDB. Let me create it. It has been created. Yeah, it has been created. Now create. Let me create some table. Like create my table, the table name like the MyDB would DB name. The my table would be inside the MyDB. Okay, let me create the table, and the column name would be ID, and the value would be in the integer. Okay, and the name also would be in the it would be string. You can say it is the variable character, so you can define the variable. The value would be, it would be the 10 10 digit, or you can say 10 alpha numerical things. Okay, let me create it. The table is also clear, you can say it is almost created. Yeah, so let me insert some data, some dummy data, and then we can run the query whether it's working fine or not. Okay, so insert into the table name. The table name would be my table, and it would be mydb.mytable. Then values, and the value would be, we can take an example like the ID would be 1 and the name would be user1. As user1 is the variable character, so you can keep in the double quote. Okay, or the single quote. So let me insert into the table. Yeah, the you can see the data has been inserted to my table. So just let me uh, run the select query to see uh, whether it is giving the result or not. Yeah. Yeah, it's perfectly fine, guys. So thank you so much. We can connect in the next session. Thank you.